All right, everybody, it's go time. We are breaking. We're going to kick off the day with 2018 Victory Lane, which is this case you see right there. We're starting about on time. We're at 11:15. Kind of hoping to start just before 11. I had to update my laptop, so while it's sitting over here updating, I figured we can go ahead and get started. This is our sealed case of 18 Victory Lane that we're going to break real quick. Just run through. Playoff Push Sports Cards. There's the website. Email, PayPal, customer support. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. YouTube, just type in Playoff Push Sports Cards. Hit that subscribe button. You'll get all notifications on break weekends. Also, Facebook and Twitter. Follow us on there. You get special offers, discounted spots. But let's go ahead and get right into this break. We'll do 4 in this first video, and then 4 in the second video. Let's see how we're going to do this. My hope is that with the next few breaks, we're actually going to be live. On YouTube. Here's our Victory Lane boxes. Real quick, I will go through these numbers here. You can match them up if you like to when we break them. The 4 we just shown right here, those will be the second 4. And then we'll start off with this 1238, the 0278, the 4981, and the 4978. Those will be the 4 we'll start out with. So let's get right into it. We're going to start out. Very first one will be that 4978. I want to thank everybody for jumping in the weekend's breaks. You'll be seeing a lot of the single cards going up on the website along with break spots. Pack 1 of the whole break. We got just base here in the front. Insert Brad Keselowski. Insert Ryan Blaney and a Clint Boyer fire suit tire is hit number 1. 45 of 49 red is Kurt Busch and 3 base. Just base cards. Landon Castle insert. 44 of 99. 3-time champion. Tony Stewart. And a Tony Stewart hit. Green. Engineered to perfection. Fire suit tire. 59 of 99. On the smoke. Cole Witt. McMurray. There's a Bubba Wallace rookie. Got Jimmy, Dale. We have a Bobby Labonte pedal to the metal insert. Kurt Busch starting grid. Octane autograph. Landon Castle. On card. 30. Hey, card number 34 of 125. Landon Castle Octane. Austin Dillon's numbered to 99. Base. Kyle Larson, pedal to the metal. Rusty Wallace, 10 of only 25. NASCAR at 70. And Clint Boyer Octane. I think that's the first Octane of Clint I've ever seen. Or that I've ever pulled, I should say. 004 of 125. Clint Boyer Octane. Riley Herbst. Rookie there. So that was box number 1. Get right into 2, which was that 4981. The next Victory Lane spots are up now on the website, playoffpushsc.com. You can grab them there. Pack 1 of box number 2. All base there. Who is that? Paul Menard, pedal to the metal. Bobby Labonte, Jamie Mack. Fire suit sheet metal, it looks like. Engineered to perfection. 190 of 199. Matt D. Silver, rookie. Christopher Bell. Ernie Dale, Richard, Carl Edwards insert. Serial numbered. Kyle Busch, 83 of 99. Race day. Bubba Wallace, sheet metal. 18 of 99 on the Bubba. Denny Hamlin, silver. William Byron, rookie and base. Jimmy, Joey, Carl. Michael McDowell, insert. Bubba Wallace, insert. David Reagan, Octane autograph. 44 of 99 on David Reagan. 25 of only 49, Kevin Harvick, red. 3 base. Last pack of box number 2. Those were base. Kevin Harvick, insert. Oh, we got a 1/1 printing plate. AJ Allmendinger, starting grid. Victory Lane card S12, AJ Allmendinger, authentic printing plate. Black, 1/1. That's pretty cool. AJ printing plate. And the autograph is Octane Autographs, Marcus Ambrose. 39 of 99 on the Ambrose. William Byron, silver rookie. And Jeff Earnhardt. Tyler Reddick, I meant, rookie. So that was box number 2. Box number 3 will be the 0278 box. If you can read it there. I'm trying to remember if this was case. I think this is a case in which we did not get the guaranteed, what is it, top 5 driver or something they call in the first half of it. Not 100% sure. This is 04 of 25. Kyle Busch. Blue pedal to the metal short print. Matt Kenseth starting grid. That's a cool one. Nice chunk of sheet metal. Nice chunk of fire suit, and then a chunk of tire. Brandon Jones. 12 of 99. It's actually a pretty cool looking card there for Brandon Jones. Almirola's. Truex and McMurray base. Base. Jeff Burton, pedal to the metal. Bubba Wallace, 9 of 49. Starting grid. Denny Hamlin, fire suit tire, race ready. 80 of 99. I'm ready for tonight's Richmond race. Caden rookie and base. Looks like we always hit the mem cards first, and then the last two are the autos. Richard Jimmy Richard. Elliott Sadler, pedal to the metal. Martin Truex Jr., champion. And Ross Chastain, autograph. 74 of 99. Ross Chastain. Kyle Larson to 99 and base. Last pack of box 3 here. Terry, Kurt, Ward, Kyle Busch, pedal to the metal, not serial numbered. AJ, 88 of 99. Ooh, there's a nice one. How about Chase Elliott? That's probably your top driver autograph right there. Good looking auto, all on card. Chase Elliott, Octane autograph. 6 of only 25. If my laptop wouldn't have went off, I could tell you who got that. But I know Chase did sell. Congratulations, whoever got that Chase. Hey, there's a Haley Deegan silver rookie and a Chase Cabre rookie. All right, let's get into box 4, and we'll end this first video. Chase Elliott's nice. Got the 101 plate so far. A couple other decent autographs. This was that 1238 box. This will be the last box of this first part, and then we'll come back and do 5 through 8. I'm hoping to be live maybe for the first break in June. I think it's just a matter of going to buy a camera. I don't think it's all too difficult. Just trying to find the time to do it. Ryan Newman, pedal to the metal. Danica Patrick, insert. Joey Logano, race ready, dual relic. 135, 199. Looks like fire suit tire for Joey. Rookie, again, Chase Cabre. Kind of hoping we see one of those remarkable remnants soon. Those are nice. Dale, Richard, Derek. Dale Jr., insert. 13 of only 25. Richard Petty, Foundations. Short print. Danica, race ready. Tire. 152 of 399. Danica tire. McMurray, Suarez, Allmendinger, and Truex are all base. Well, this is a thick one, and we haven't got an auto yet, so this might be remarkable remnants right here. Well, let's see. It's going to be Joey Logano, Carl Edwards, Ernie Irvan. Oh, it's going to be a 1-of-1. Darrell Waltrip. This Ryan Newman here is 39 of 99, and let's see what this next card is. It's going to be a 2-hitter in this pack, and the first one is a 1-of-1. How about this? 1-of-1 Jeff Earnhardt, Chevy. A little bit of it's coming up there out of the top, but that is nice. Jeff Earnhardt, 1-of-1 Chevy patch, and the auto behind it, not too shabby either. Eric Almirola Octane. Imagine buying that pack just by itself. 30 of 99 on the Almirola Octane. Let's take one more quick look. 1-of-1 Jeff Earnhardt. Victory Lane Prime patch. I would say that box right there, just that pack there, was pretty good. Riley Herbst, rookie. Well, we didn't get a remarkable remnants in that box, but that 1-of-1 definitely very nice. Dale Jr., Richard Petty, Michael Waltrip, Ryan Blaney insert, Alex Bowman. How about a Kyle Petty? Kyle Petty Octane. I think somebody bought Kyle Petty off eBay. Kyle Petty Octane, numbered to 99. Darrell Waltrip, 38 of 99. And a Bubba Wallace rookie. And that ends the first 4. We'll be right back with 5 through 8.